little bit, not too much. If you're using the 3D crystal or cluster, you want to get a little bit extra. But with the flat back, you can need like that much. It might be a little bit more or less. It depends on the length of the nails. Floating right on the top. And follow up with the no wipe top coat, and do not cure the condensed glue gels yet. Okay. Oh my gosh, like extra on the side. I really want to do this one. I'm just so tempting doing it, but also I like this one. Oh, I like that one. But I also like this one. What can I do? I want to do this one first. One right there. I love this, like the baggage. I think what I call that shape. Oh my gosh, it's so dramatic. Use this one. Okay, hold on. Can you see? Hold on, go back. And I am going to using this crystal. Bigger. That's big. That is so awesome. That's it. And I'm gonna add some beads on. It's a 3D though, but I lean them together, so it has really cool. It is under $5 nail art, and I'm loving it. Like for a lot of us that just start and you don't know if you should getting a crystal kit yet, you can definitely get a lot of really cool $5 nail art that has so many of different elements in there. Is like you get not only is crystals, and then you also get like frame beads, also pearl, all sort of different flowers and different crystal colors. You will never go wrong with that baby meat jars. It gives you so much of the idea to create so many cute, like have unique set of nails. Unique, I mean designs. I'm gonna get this one just a baby right there. All right, happy with this? We are going to cure for 60 seconds.